create folder called React. Okay. React folder is ready. In React folder, open CMD. In React folder, open CMD. Then after that, in this CMD, you can write npm internet is required. You need to connect to the system. Connect the system with net. Okay, npm. After that, we write npm install -g. npm install -g. Create minus react minus app. npm install -g create react app. In character, the first command is to install the environment. This is the command npm install -g create react app. Completed. What command? Create a folder, open the CMD in that, and write this command. Create a folder called React, open the CMD in React folder, and run this command. npm install -g create react app. Reply also once it's done. Create a folder React in that, open CMD, and there run npm install -g create react app. You are executed by everyone. Okay. The first command is available in chat. Second command you need to run here. npx create first, once it complete, then try again. Once it complete first, then try again. npx create minus react minus app project one. This is all how to set up the project. First you set up the environment. Now second you are doing a setup of a new project. npx create react app project one. This command is also available in the chat. One by one. You can run it. Second command will take 5 minutes. Second command is based on internet speed. So how fast internet? Once the second command will be success, it will show you the message happy hacking. Message is coming the last happy hacking. If happy hacking comes, you can reply in chat. Once happy hacking will come, reply in chat. Sir, sir, you don't have this generator. You don't have this generator. Leave that, let me know. Sometimes the progress is running like this. First command, something like this, it will come. Program completed. Permit sign happy hacking in the last. Check yours. Loading. Let it go. It may take 5 minutes time. It may take 5 minutes of time.
Sir, it is not showing happy hacking.
What is showing?
Yes. Sir, it shows there's a complete log of this run can be found in like this. It shows.
First command was run successfully.
Yes, sir. First command is completed. After project 1.
Second one, what is error?
It shows an error. A complete log of this run can be found in, and it shows a link, sir. C call in the C drive. You have to find it.
You have disconnected the internet in between?
No, sir.
Try again the same command. Don't change the network in between.
Okay.
That is the one command that you used to set up. It's Mac or Windows. Which one you have?
Windows, sir.
In Windows, the command will work. Second one.
Okay.
Run the same command. Internet is slow, yes. You have to keep running the same command till not set up. Why close the CMD? Same for CMD run again. No need to close the CMD, huh? Errors? What errors? Same problem, internet problem. Only one problem is there. Only one problem, internet. If internet will be slow, it will break down again. It will download nearly multi-hundred files and folder. Want to see, look at here in this folder. How many folders it downloaded? 800 folders it will download. It needs sufficient internet. It needs sufficient internet. Second command, first command is done. Run second command again. First command only one time, second command you run again. Second command we should run. So for Shankar happened, then for Muhammad happened, then for Rudra happened, who else is pending? Your Manachitra, then after that, go next. Okay, you login just now. Are you doing the setup of the project? Okay, done then, very good. Please wait 2 minutes here, some people are doing. Second command is available in your chat only. Look up. Or here is the second command. Second command is here. This is the second command. Going on, completed. What problem? Internet has no data because of that. How much data you have in mobile? That's it. Keep command run. You are not in the project and not run. LDN installed. Finally, create data. Then it must be like yeah, question. Okay. Hold on. Completed. Like going on. Okay, so what we can do here only in the same CMD, write CD and project name. Like your project name is project 1. CD project 1, enter. CD project 1, enter. It will go under the project 1 folder. After that, we can write here npm start. Write npm start and enter. It will start the React development server. We are going to write this notes. I have written the how to set up the new project. Then after that, how to start the server. Then how it will get compiled. npm start to enter. But CD project 1. After that, npm start. Bueno, sí, pues, perdona. Ramya, your second command is executed or going on?
Yes, sir. Running, sir. Happy hacking with you.
The progress bar is going on?
Yes, sir. Sir, after that, I have to enter CD command, CD project 1.
Completed. Happy hacking is going in the last?
Yes, sir. Showing.
Follow this. CD project 1.
Okay, sir.
CD space project 1 and after that run this command. npm start.
Okay, sir.
nps nps create minus there minus add space project 1. Okay, so this file, can I write this quickly? Create a developer guide, React developer guide, and in that write this steps. Create a file, React developer guide, and in that React developer guide, write this notes quickly. You want to write it? Anyone is writing as a name over here? For same purpose, I should not speak 10 times. If you are writing, I'll wait for 2 minutes, or let's wait for 2 minutes. To take photos are better. Okay, now create another file. If you have not written, don't write it, but create another file, React developer guide. Create a file for React developer guide. React developer guide. In that React developer guide, we have to write the notes regarding the JSX. We have to write the notes regarding many rule regulations we have. This file you can open in VS Code also. So for example, we'll open the VS Code, and in VS Code, you can go to the file and then load, file and then open project, file and then open project. In that you can select the React project. Under the React you have created the project 1, that you can select and open here. So project 1 will get load here under the VS Code. Project 1 will get load under the VS Code. After that, there is one more option called open file. You have created one file just now. File name was React developer guide. That also you open here. Real developer will be one text file, and below this is your project folder. I close it. Okay, so go here. Project is loaded as well as developer guide you have opened in TXT file. The text file you have opened in this one VS Code. Now see, when you have written npm start you have written, those things are mentioned here clearly, step by step. First, how to set up the project. Node.js will be installed in your system. Second, we have to create a folder somewhere, React or any folder you can create. In that folder, open the CMD. After that, once you open the CMD, after that, your system should be connected with the internet. Then run this command to set up the environment. That is called npm install -g create React app. With the help of create React app, only you can create a project of React. Install this. Once this installation happens, then after that, run the second command to set up the new project. Next, after that, we have a command called npx create React app, and after that, your project name can be anything that you. Then once this command is running successfully done, it will show you happy hacking, and then we'll understand okay, project is set up successfully. Then next, it is not like the JavaScript file, a small file or HTML file that you can run directly. You have to start the server of React development server. Then only it will display any kind of output. So question is how to start the React development server. A small command we have. Now how to follow the command? Number one, we need to open the CMD project folder whenever you want to run the project. Not only now in home also if you want to run a project, you have to open the CMD in the project folder. After that, you have to write there npm start. Once compiled successfully, if your project source code will get compiled successfully, then after that, your project will be visible on this local host column. Okay. So complete step by step for everything is written. Now based on that steps you have done npm start is compiled here, and after that, result is visible under the browser. Printing. Right? This page has come. Okay, so this is the default page. Now we need to find out, we need to start understanding and learning and implementing from one side. Where is the file, how to modify, what to modify, how to add our own file, how to integrate with the existing feature, how to use the existing feature in our project. So those are all things we have to go one by one. We'll go into the VS Code and we'll write here under the project first. Where is the okay, go ahead, write CD for this. npm start, CD for that one. After that, write npm start. So I will remove this. Yeah. Yes. Start. Project folder is loaded. So there you can follow us. Okay, and next after this, if you look into the browser, it is saying that this output has come from somewhere. Where is this code is written? In your project, there is a folder called src. Under the src folder, you will find a file called app.js. Go in that file and modify anything if you want. Save the file and then see what is the output. We will go there, src folder. You can find a file called app.js. In app.js, some codes are written here. Remove the first two lines, import part. Remove the import part. Come inside this function. Return keyword is written. Remove all HTML code. you will find it is a normal function of JavaScript. Remove one table code, you will find it's a normal function of JavaScript. But inside, the line is written called return. Let's go inside, follow the H1. React is awesome. React is awesome. React is awesome. Save the file. Look into your browser. You will find the changes happen. Happen? Yes. No, sir. npm start has written. Yes. Anything happen in browser? If you do npm start, okay, something like this. See here, no? Apply successfully. Wait for some time. Once it will start, it will get like this. By then, go and keep modifying this file. Go to the path and modify that file. Maintain flow for script. Maintain detail script. So whichever the changes you have made, it should reflect in your browser. Correct? Now let us go here and add some more lines and then see it is coming in the browser or not. Come down, write a paragraph tag, and in paragraph tag, you write JSX, JavaScript, and XML. Anything right here. This is from B tag. You will see it is throwing complete error and error. Correct? When H1 was there, one tag, there was no any problem. When we added the paragraph, what problem came? If you remove H1 now, paragraph will work. Okay, see error came now. If I look into the browser, show error completely. If you remove the H1, then you can see paragraph is okay. There is no any problem. Paragraph will work successfully. See, error is gone and it's working. Right? So understood, when we are written one tab, either H1 or P tab, it has no any problem at all. But when we added more than one tab, then some error came. This error came, it's not because of we have added the two tab. It is because it is failing the rule of JSX. It is getting failed the rule of JSX. Okay, JSX rule got failed, and because of that failure, what happens is throw the error. Then question is how to resolve this error. Simple. You keep this both H1 and paragraph in a third tab. Suppose division I open and I will close the division in the last. And division I close in the last. Division is open and division is closed. Okay. Division is open, division is closed. Now you will find error is gone. Error is gone. Right? This error is gone. Now it's following the rules. Whichever the rule we have of writing the code, it is following the rule, then the error is gone. Correct? You saw that? Now see here. Error is gone. Both H1 and paragraph both are pending. Now add 1 to more paragraph and see whether it will get failed if you add multiple paragraphs. This is from third P tab. I will add one more P. This is from fourth P tab. Right? All paragraphs are working. There is no any kind of error at all. Okay. Come next. So division becomes a parent tab and H1 and paragraphs become the child tab. Okay. Division becomes the parent tab. Remaining all tabs become a child tab. Now the parent tab can be any tab. It is not necessary that it will be division only. It will be section tab. It can be any tab. Suppose example, I'll open a tab called Bangalore and we'll close the tab called Bangalore here. Bangalore. You will find it is working successfully. See it now. In browser, I will add here one P tag extra and then I'll add for Bangalore added. Bangalore added. See now, Bangalore is added, successfully it's working. You should try. Any tab you add, but make sure whichever the tab you open, you close the same. It trying to represent like in React we can write our own tag also. We can write user defined tag also. It is not necessary that all the tags will be predefined. It can be user defined tag as well. So Bangalore becomes a user defined tag. So Sir, I don't know what to do. NPM start you have written. It is running in the browser. In browser, check in browser. You got anything in the browser? Any browser open automatically? Now go to the code app.js file and write like this and keep checking in the browser. App.js file. Can you see app.js file? It is under the src folder. Yes. Open that file, delete all and write this method. Start with the then go to browser. So yes, sir. Okay, so now right, we can see the user defined tag is working. Let's go ahead again, remove this user defined tab and keep the empty tab. Empty tab open and empty tab close. Save it and value added, modify to empty added. Empty tab added. Return empty tab added. Look into the browser, you will find it will reflect here. Empty tab added. So parent tag, first time division, second user defined, third one is empty. Now try the fourth one as a square bracket. Square bracket, how we create the array? Open that and close that square bracket here. First open and close. Don't look into the error. Open and close. Open and close. Okay. Next, after this, if you remember the array in JavaScript, it used to be something like this. A square bracket, and inside that, suppose apple, second for mango, third one banana, fourth one orange, something like this. So apple become element, mango element, banana element, orange element. Similarly, here also curly bracket open and close. H1 become one element, paragraph another element, all paragraph is an individual element. Then it says like after element, you used to write the comma, why you are not writing comma here? Because H1 become one element, paragraph become a second element. So between every element there should be comma, as per the array ruler relation. So keep the comma in the last comma is optional, and leave it, and then try, look into the browser, you will find array is added. Array is added. Working all for method. That's called the rule of the JSX. While writing the React code, you have to follow the JSX rule regulation. In that JSX rule regulation, it is compulsory to follow the rule of XML. So we'll create one XML file and we'll understand where this rule comes from. After that, we'll write the rule of JSX. So first come and let us see. In developer guide, you can go. So how many possibilities you saw there? 4 possibilities or 3? Number 1, predefined tag. Number 2, user defined tag. Next, empty tag. Fourth one is added. These all 4. Either of these can be a parent tag of React JSX. Okay. So JSX come from right here. JSX. JavaScript and XML, you can say. JavaScript and XML. Next, after that, where it come from? JSX come from here. JavaScript code you have to write. JavaScript code we have to write. Plus HTML code we have to write. Plus rules from XML. Rules from XML. HTML and JavaScript you have to write based on XML rule. JavaScript and HTML you have to combine together based on XML rule. Suppose create one, write 2 lines of notes. You are not writing. So then I will wait for the cell phone. Bring a notebook if you are not comfortable in system writing notebook. Photo, how long can you stay? No, sir. So let's bring a notebook. Okay, right there. The XML says number 1. The doc type declaration, doc type declaration should be added in every doc type declaration should be added in every XML file. Second one, all XML tags are case sensitive. All the XML tags are case sensitive. Number 3, we can write all XML tags are user defined. User defined. Fourth one, every XML file should have only one parent element. Every XML file will have only one parent element. Okay, you can now write below XML sample code. You can write below. Yeah, hello. Tell me, sir. No, sir, not okay. Yes, we have my problem. Okay, next after this, we will write below sample of XML doc. Sample of XML document. So first line, what is that? This is like doc type declaration should be added in every XML file. So you can say like this. How we write HTML? Similar way here also we have to write for XML, and we have to write for version equal to 1.0. Version equal to 1.0. This you have to write in every XML file in the beginning. After that, it says like hello. वो इंटरनेट वाला है अगर हम फोन करेंगे उसको गाइड करेंगे. हाँ बोलिए. Next after that, come inside. What is said next? It says like all XML tags are case sensitive. There is next. All XML tags are user defined. Now suppose you want to store the details about a product. So there will be name of the product, we can create a tag called name, and under the name tag, we can store the name of the tag called apple. Next, after that, you want to store the price of the tag. So create a property tag called price, and under the price, store suppose 300, and close the price property, price tag. Next, after that, so you see here first. In the React today, you have added only one tag. It was working h1 in the beginning. When you have added the h1 as well as paragraph, when you have added h1 as well as paragraph, right? When we have added the h1 and paragraph, then what happened? Error came. Forgot. When we have written like this, only one. When we have written like this, only one. Was working. Look at here. Was working. When you have added one more paragraph, error came. Error came around. What was the solution of that? We added under the parent tag, right? Same thing we're writing here. Now we have one name and another one is called price. So we cannot display like this directly. So it should go under the parent tag. That you can write for which one? Product. Open, and product should become a closed. Right? So product name and product price. So tag is user defined. It can be any tag. Because of that, we have written name and price, and another one is called a product. Next, after that, like this, add one more here. A tag called 𝕊𝖊𝖆𝖗 and a store inside called 5. And close the 𝕊𝖊𝖆𝖗. 𝕊𝖊𝖆𝖗 is open and 𝕊𝖊𝖆𝖗 is closed. So this happened for one product. Now suppose if you have multiple product like this, then what will happen? Multiple product will come. Now look at here. That is one point. Another point, when we found here, fine. We added inside called a division. That you have seen already. Division we added. Just give to select block. Now division is open and division is closed. Correct? Division is open and division is closed. Next, what will happen? It will work fine. That you are written here in doc type. Parent tag will come. Once parent tag will come, after that error will go. Here also you saw error is gone. There is no error. Another rule regulation says like whichever the tag you are writing, it is this one. Only case sensitive. What tag represents? P tag I have open a small by mistake will close by the capital. P was open small and it is closed by the capital. Now what will happen? XML rule says like whenever you are creating whether user defined tag or predefined tag, it is case sensitive. You cannot open the small and close the capital. So look at here in browser, error appear. You have written here a line saying like all the tags are case sensitive. Second line, all the tags are user defined. So we written user defined tags. If I write here n as a capital and close the n as a small, it will throw the error. Right? So that we understood that yes, whenever we are going to write multiple tags, we will keep under the parent tag. Okay. Then you saw the parent tag can be how many types? 4 types. Division, empty tag. After that, user defined tag as well as this one, array. Correct? Okay. Now look at there. The last rule is pending. It says like every XML file should have only one parent element. Suppose one product we have details, so we kept inside a product. Now what will happen if there is a multiple product? Suppose I'll copy this, you can also copy and paste here. Copy and paste here. Okay, copy and paste. Change this to something else, mango. Alright, just 100 rupees. Quantity free. Okay, so we added two product. Last rule is filling here. Okay, last rule is filling. Let me show you here. I'll close the small tab, no problem. But I will copy this paragraph and paste again. Copy this, not paragraph, complete division and paste again. So see, when there was only one division was parent. Now how many division happen? 2 division. So both become a child, both become a parent. But it must be enclosed within a super parent. So what the XML rule says, in every XML file, there should be only one parent tag. So at this place, maybe we can open a tag called XYZ and we can close that tag called XYZ. So what will happen is multiple product, individual product is one child, correct? And multiple child are stored under one parent. So it says like now every XML file should have only one parent tag. So that is here XML. All the tags are user defined, or you are written your own tag. Another one, all the tags are case sensitive. So in React, we require these 3 rules. Rule number 3, rule number 2, and rule number 4. 2, 3, 4 are required under the React. Okay, because of that is called a JS. After that, which one? X. JavaScript. After that, last is which one? X for XML. So you have to write JavaScript and HTML, and along with that, you have to take the rule regulation from XML. How many rule regulation? Only 3. You can write your own tag also in React. You can use the predefined tag also, user defined tag also, but make sure whether user defined or predefined, it is case sensitive. After that, if you want to write multiple elements, you cannot leave individual. You must have to enclose within a parent tag. That 3 rules you have here, and you wrote under the XML. 8 minutes. आया क्या भाई? कौन दीजिए? अभी देखो वहाँ पे राउटर लगे हुए ना वाइट कलर का, और उसमें देखिए सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा वहीं पर. वहाँ टेस्ट कर लिए, स्विच बॉक्स ऊपर अच्छा है. हाँ लास्ट टेरेस में टेरेस. Okay, right. So what I will do now here, multiple division we got. So we will keep this all the division inside a tag. That is called section tag. Then this all the parent tag, this all the child tag, this all the child tag. That is called first division and second division. Become the child of which one? Section. Section become the parent element and division all become as a child element. Right? It is following now which rule? Number one, whether you follow user defined or predefined, correct? It is case sensitive. Correct? So section tag we open is small, close is small, case sensitive is following. Any tag should not be uppercase lowercase. It must be either lower or upper. Second one, what we have is the in entire document there should be only one parent tag, and the third one, what we have called, right? Another one is called, we can write user defined tag, predefined tag. F7 tags are user defined, that we can combine both user defined, predefined, we can write together. After that, one will be the parent. You can write like this and check in browser happening or not. It should happen properly like this. Okay, so now based on that 3 rules, we have 4 rules from the JSX side. That 4 rules will make a note, and then we can start creating the pages under the React. Okay, you checked added within the section tags, right? That worked well. Come to developer guide. Okay. 2 3 terms you have, you should make a note. JSX element. JSX element. JSX element, what is that? JSX element. All the user defined tag and predefined tags. Whether it is user defined tag or predefined tag. Okay. All the user defined tags and predefined tags are JSX element in React. Element in React. What is the JSX element in React? One more line you can write component. Simple way you understand. In JavaScript, you write the function that start with the function keyword, or that can be a file arrow method, or that can be an anonymous function. Here, the app.js file we have. In app.js file, you can see function name. What is app? Curly bracket open and close. We used to write document.getElement by ID. Now what is written here called return. But here in React, you are not going to call it a function. You have to call it a component. Okay, so app.js is a file name, whereas there is an app is a function. Where in the term of React, in the term of JavaScript, in the term of React, we have to call this one as a component. Okay, so you can write here simple. It is just like function in JavaScript. Not just like 100% is a function in JavaScript. Okay, 100% function in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we write a function, but in React, we write function only, whereas we call it as a component. Some rule regulation we have while creating a component, while writing a component, certain rule regulation we need to follow. And after that, you can say when we in that line, the app.js file, you can see some import export words are written. We will discuss on that. Okay, so today we'll see you tomorrow. Or one day this much is okay. Tomorrow we will write the rule regulation of JSX. After that, we will understand the folder structure of React through GUI, through the photo. I'll explain you how the folder, how the React data flow will happen. And after understanding the GUI, the data flow, and after making a note of rule regulation of JSX, we will create our own component. We will integrate with the existing page and we'll see, and then further step by step will move. Okay. Same time, 5 o'clock, break and internet becomes the problem. Not internet. Internet was okay. I don't know why that old meeting was not working. I created a new meeting and they started working on the same. We'll try 5 o'clock. Okay.